Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to find Instagram friends on Threads. To start the process, open your Threads application in your mobile device. Now tap on the search icon. From here, you can also find friends. Then tap on profile icon on your bottom right corner. Here, tap on followers. You can also find your Instagram friends from here. Tap on following to see your Instagram friends. Now tap on see all. From here, you can find all of your Instagram friends. You can follow them by tapping on the follow button next to their username. You can also follow all of them by tapping on follow all. After that, tap on done. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.